This tutorial is to demonstrate a way to assess the understanding level of students during live classes in Link Classroom. When you enter the live class, you will notice a meter on the right-hand side of the screen, ranging from 1 to 5, where 1 represents poor understanding and 5 represents excellent understanding. Click on the Ask Now button. In the student's screen, a pop with understanding meter appears. They can rate their understanding levels from 1 to 5 based on the lecture. Based on the student's feedback, the meter will move accordingly. If the average feedback is below the desired understanding level, the teacher will receive an anonymous pop-up notification. Teachers can automate this process using classroom settings, and students can provide feedback by clicking the thumbs up icon at any time. By utilizing this feature, teachers can monitor their students' comprehension levels and adjust their teaching methods to improve learning outcomes. Happy teaching!